Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. FETCH continues to be in this C wave most likely that we talked about in the previous video. That's wave C of a fourth wave. The price has dipped further into the support region but has not yet broken below the A wave low of this correction. The A wave bottomed here on the 13th of April and I expect that low to be taken out. But it might only take it out by a marginal amount. That low was at around $1.63, $1.64 here in wave A. And then we had this B wave rally, which topped most recently on the 22nd of May at $2.71. I've always said that the $2.71 level needs to be taken out in order to confirm that we are heading higher already in circle wave 5. That level was never broken. Instead, the market started that decline here in wave C of 4. So we have a large ABC structure in which the A wave was a flat correction itself, A overshooting B wave, C wave. The B wave was just a, let's say, sideways consolidation, probably a WXY structure. And we're now coming down in a 5-wave decline in wave C. Now, what are the key markers? What are the next key levels? And what are the parameters you should be watching in the next few days? First of all, we have resistance between $1.80 and $2.06. That's the standard resistance area here for the wave 4. Micro patterns are fairly clear at the moment, and it means that we can calculate the resistance area accurately. Any break above resistance, so any break above $2.06 would indicate that a low has formed. Until then, I'm watching for one more low as per the micro wave count, because likelihood would suggest that the A wave will be taken out. Next support would be $1.57, so again, it might only form a marginally lower low. Below that level, we have the 100% extension target, which is a key target for wave C, and it's pointing towards $1.43. Below that level, $1.27. Below $1.27, I haven't got anything clearly bullish left, but at the moment, the market is still within, let's say, the relevant support area, and I'm watching for a reversal in this region, but probably not. And we won't probably see it until the market has formed, one more low. What I would like to do in this video is, first of all, I mentioned the levels already, so you should be very much aware of the next key levels, especially the $1.57 and $1.43 levels. What we can do as well is we can try to add a trend channel. So normally we do that from the top, then to the B wave, and that gives us the first trend line. However, normally, because this was an overshooting B wave, I will start at the third wave top. Then we draw it to the top of the B wave, and we have a trend channel line, the upper line of a channel. And then we copy that and add it to the low of the A wave. And that might give us a clear area to watch for a potential reversal, and that would fit quite well, I think. And it actually it crosses here the $1.43 level that I just mentioned anyway. Okay, so we've got this corrective channel, which also now gives us something that looks a bit like a bull flag. It also gives us a key level that now needs to break to clearly favor that we are in the fifth wave, and it would be a break above the upper boundary line of that trend channel. If that happened next week, I guess it would be around $2.58. So again, then we still have to take out that B wave high that I already mentioned at $2.71. And the earliest evidence that a low has formed would be a break above the $2.05 level, obviously here, One more low should send us therefore to $1.57 or maybe even $1.43. So I prefer one more low. I think that's a very clear statement. I'm definitely watching for reversal in the support area, but and the correction should be nearly complete, but I still need to see some kind of evidence from the market to actually turn around. So we need some kind of a signal from the market in order to confirm that a low has formed. Just be careful until then. But there's nothing to. I'm not worrying about this chart until the price breaks really below the main support at $1.27. And if we get one more high, it should send us into the $4.70 plus area, more likely like $6.30. That's my update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.